In this video, we are going to talk about the 3 best Shopify themes for an e-commerce store. We've personally used these themes for our clients and helped them get awesome results. Of course, these are the paid themes, and we aren't going to mention any free themes in this video. So, let's not waste any time and start the video. Theme number 1. Debutify. This is the best Shopify theme for those who want to start a dropshipping store or a general e-commerce store. Although this theme comes up with a free plan, but to get access to all of its features, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. This theme provides super fast loading speed, along with full customization and seamless integration options. Not to mention the conversion boosting add-ons that can increase the overall conversion rate of your store by 30%. If you sign up to Debutify using the first link which is given in the video description, it will give you a 14-day trial for all of its premium features. This theme is a sales powerhouse and a trust builder. If you're an entrepreneur aiming to boost sales and establish trust effortlessly, Debutify is your best friend. Offering features and psychological triggers like one-click upsells, scarcity timers, and trust badges, it's tailored for enhancing conversions of a store. According to a study by Debutify, implementing trust badges can increase conversions by up to 32%. It's an ideal choice for new businesses seeking quick growth and increased credibility. So, if you are running a general store or a dropshipping store, you should give this a try. The link is in the description. With that note, let's move on to our next theme, Booster theme. If making a memorable impression is your priority, Booster has got your back. With its visually stunning design elements, customizable sections, and attention-grabbing animations, Booster caters to those wanting their store to stand out in a crowded market. Research by Shopify shows that 94% of first impressions are design-related, emphasizing the significance of a visually appealing storefront. Booster is for businesses aiming to create an unforgettable brand experience and leave a lasting impression on their customers. More than 46,000 store owners use this theme and get amazing results. This theme contains all 14 psychological triggers that persuade a person to buy something, which is why we love and recommend this theme to our clients. The best part? Booster theme provides pre-built and conversion-optimized templates to its users, which means that after installing their theme, you can simply install one of their templates and launch your store within an hour. Not to mention that this theme comes up with a 14-day money-back guarantee. So, it's completely risk-free to use this theme. Booster theme is also providing an exclusive 10% discount to our viewers. To avail the discount, simply use the second link which is given in the video description, and then use this coupon code during checkout. Even if you don't want to purchase the theme, you should still visit their website. You'll find a conversion-optimized e-commerce store checklist on their website for absolutely free. You can implement this checklist and optimize your store for high conversions. Last but not least, we have the Impulse theme. This theme is exclusive for fashion brands and gives a simple yet stunning look to their online store. If you're managing a large product catalog and looking to optimize user experience, Impulse is your ultimate companion. Featuring quick view and predictive search functionalities, it simplifies navigation for customers navigating through extensive inventories. Impulse is perfect for established businesses dealing with a wide range of products, ensuring a seamless shopping journey for their customers. Since this is a lightweight theme, your store loading speed won't increase, and the smooth animation effects keep your store visitor engaged with the product. The best part? This theme is fully mobile optimized for mobile devices and provides smooth navigation. We recommend this theme to all of our clients who are running fashion brands or managing a large inventory of similar products. Although this theme is a bit costly, but it is worth the investment. So, these are the top 3 themes that we recommend to our customers. If you are running a dropshipping store, then start with the Debutify theme. Next, if you are running a general store with 20 or 30 different products, then you can use the Booster theme for your store. Lastly, if you are running a fashion brand, the Impulse theme can be the go-to choice for you. But what if you are running a single product store? Well, in that case, we recommend that you use a free Shopify theme and then use a page builder to customize the theme. You can use Pagefly Page Builder to create a single product store. It has hundreds of templates that you can choose from and design a cool single product store for yourself. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask us in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video.